Hi and welcome to our analysis of the Equirus Long Horizon Fund. In today's video, we'll be exploring the Equirus Long Horizon Fund, a portfolio management service scheme launched by Equirus Capital. Are you looking to understand how this fund operates and whether it might be a fit for your investment strategy? We'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's basic details, portfolio composition by market cap and sectors, top holdings, insights about the fund manager, investment details including fees and lock-in periods, performance attributes, tax implications on your earnings from the Equirus Long Horizon Fund. Let's start with the fund analysis. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks, PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let's start with the basic details. Launched on October 20, 2016, this PMS scheme currently manages assets worth of around 850 crore rupees. The fund aims to take concentrated long-term bets on high-quality Indian companies at reasonable valuations, aiming to outperform the benchmark significantly. First, let's look at the portfolio mix by market cap size. Regarding portfolio composition, small cap accounts for 77.48% of the total composition, while cash accounts for 22.52% of the total composition of the fund respectively. Second, the top 5 holdings of the fund. Here are the top 5 holdings of the Equirus Long Horizon Fund. These are Thangamile Jewelry Limited, IFB Industries Limited, Rane Holding Limited, Kolte Patil Developers Limited, and Seath Limited. Third, the top 5 sector exposures. The fund is exposed to various sectors. Here's a breakdown of its top 5 sector exposures, which includes jewelry, consumer durables, automobile, real estate, and FMCG. Now, let's look at the fund manager of the scheme. The fund is managed by Sahil Shah, who has 17 years of experience as an analyst and fund manager. He has a proven track record of strong performance, particularly in the small and mid-cap markets. Mr. Shah previously managed the Edelweiss Small Cap Fund and co-managed mid-cap and multi-cap funds at Edelweiss. He is a CFA and holds a Bachelor of Commerce from Gujarat University. Now, let's take a look at the investment details of the fund. The Equirus Long Horizon Fund is a small cap concentrated PMS scheme with a minimum ticket size of 2 crore rupees. There is no lock-in period for this fund, but an exit load of 2% is payable if units are redeemed within 1 year, and an exit load of 1% is payable if units are redeemed within 2 years of the investment. There are 2 options for the fees of the PMS, that is, Option 1, a fixed fee of 2.5%, and Option 2, a variable fee structure with a 1% fixed management fee, and a 20% profit share after 10% hurdle rate. Now, let's look at the returns generated by the fund. The Equirus Long Horizon Fund has outperformed the S&P BSE 500 index over the past 1 year, 2 years, and 5 years with 38.61%, 33.75%, and 31.59% returns respectively. The fund since inception generated an exceptional return of 24.42% against the 16.78% return of S&P BSE 500 index. Now, let's look at the performance attributes of the fund. The Equirus Long Horizon Fund has a beta of 0.96, indicating slightly lower volatility than the market, and a Sharpe ratio of 0.78, reflecting moderate returns relative to risk. Its standard deviation of 21.1% shows significant variation in returns, highlighting potential performance fluctuations. Now, let's move on to the investment philosophy. The fund's investment philosophy combines value and quality. It focuses on relatively undiscovered businesses with long-term growth potential, ensuring they have qualities relevant to sustained growth and are priced below intrinsic value. Now, let's take a look at the taxability of earnings. First, capital gains taxation. If the PMS stocks are sold after 1 year from the date of investment, gains up to Rs 1.25 lakh in a financial year are exempt from tax. Gains over Rs 1.25 lakh are taxed at the rate of 12.5%. If the PMS stocks are sold within 1 year from the date of investment, the entire amount of gain is taxed at the rate of 20%. Second, dividend taxation. If an investor's dividend income exceeds Rs 5,000 in a financial year, the fund house deducts a TDS of 10% before distributing the dividend. Dividends are added to the income of the investors and taxed according to their respective tax slabs. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. Thanks for watching.